punch me in the eye. Ravaged, beaten and broken down, it's the way I like to roll. After you take all my dignity, the devil can take my soul. Take my soul and fly. Take my soul. Take my soul and fly. Take my soul. When I'm in my shallow grave, don't you pay me, never mind. For the souls of the broken down, you see, I'm taking all the time. And my soul unique, so uneasily defined, seem to slip out of the devil's grip, back to me by design. Take my